Barraquito is the best coffee that I have ever tried. Barraquito is a type of coffee cocktail originally from Tenerife in the Canary Islands. This is the way you prepare it. So we put condensed milk.
Then we put Licor 43. Then we add the milk cream. And then we gently add coffee. The final step is to add a sprinkle of cinnamon and a lemon zest. Voila!
As you can see, it has many layers with different ingredients.
Before drinking it, you need to mix all layers. If you don't want to make it really sweet, don't mix the bottom layer. I like sweetness, so I mixed it all.
Is it good, right?
It's really delicious. I like it. I love it. Guys, I really recommend you to try Barraquito when you come to Tenerife.